Jeff, I know who you are and you've been here, so you know what this is. But the folks who are going to see this YouTube video may be all over the world. So will you first tell everybody who you are and what you do and
Well,
what you're
I'm
interested in?
kind of retired, but not exactly. And I manage money for family. And I try and figure out in this time where there's a number of circumstances coming together, unlike anything any of us have ever seen, what's going to happen. And I don't know. And I play bad golf and do yard work and really bad golf, David. Really
Really bad
bad.
golf.
And I've always been a decent athlete, but I can't hit a little right ball sitting at my feet. Never mind. Okay,
So,
let's move on.
all right. Well, you came up here. You've been here before.
Yes.
You know the drill.
Yes.
You're now an old timer.
Ah.
Now, I don't mean that in a pejorative way.
Yeah, I'm old enough.
Did you go fishing today?
I did.
And did you catch anything?
We caught 70 perch.
70 perch.
70.
70 perch.
Poor Les. He's still cleaning them.
And they're going to go in a chowder.
Yeah, I know.
We're going to eat that chowder.
I know.
Okay.
And I'm going to like that.
All right.
So I am here because I get to talk to people who I don't get to talk to regularly.
Uh-huh.
And they teach me new things and they keep me humble because there's so much I don't know that I want to know. And where I am and in a lot of the dinner parties I'm in, if you bring up the Federal Reserve, you get asked to leave.
Well, not in this place.
Not in this place.
No. We had a conversation last night, I think, at dinner or somewhere along the way. And you were telling me something that you're following that has to do with the gold market and gold and how you're questioning issues with central banks and gold. I may have misphrased that.
No,
So you put it in your words.
I am curious about the role that gold is going to play and if that role is going to change dramatically. Now, there is a lot of talk about trade in the BRIC companies using swap lines in local currencies and then settling those differences whenever and however they occur in gold. Now, if that amount really grows, and where are we going to find enough gold to manage it? Does it suggest that there's going to be a revaluation of gold? I've seen some smart people write about that and suggest about it. I don't know what will happen. In the meantime, I'm wondering, what is the mechanism exactly? If you do have these two sovereign currencies that are being exchanged for trade and you get a big imbalance, when do you adjust that? And if you do it by gold, what does that mean? Does it mean the gold literally flies from one country to another? Does it just get moved from one pile in a bank to another pile? If this is happening, how is it going to work out? And if there is some sort of a revaluation of gold, what does that do to the US dollar as the reserve currency? Now, reserve currencies have historically lasted 100 years or so, and that would suggest that our time is up. And it is certainly true that there are benefits to being a reserve currency for a while. But at some point, when everybody has to have more and more of your currency for the system to work, then it becomes a detriment to your country, I think. And I think we may be there. And if over time, and it won't be immediate, the US dollar is no longer the primary reserve currency and it's gold or something, I won't be upset by that.
I think we should have a better conversation about fishing. The outlook is better. You're a worrier. Are you worried?
Well,
Real quick, we got about a minute.
I don't even know if I should be worried or not. I am very much sitting here going, how is this going to end? I don't have, in the survey last night,
Yeah.
I mostly wrote, I don't know, or I don't have an opinion.
Oh, okay.
I just don't know.
Well, that's fair.
So I am a worrier, and I try and not be a worrier. And I am aware that this could work out positively in ways that I don't understand yet. And I hope for that every day.
Well, let's leave it on an up note. We're now going to worry about a wonderful lunch that's just going to take place in a few minutes.
And it's going to be wonderful.
It'll be good. Nice
Thank
to
you so
have you
much,
back,
David.
and nice to have you.
It's good to be here.